is Yi. I will introduce our project background. And as we know, the plastic waste recycle problem in Singapore is very serious. And our project purpose is our project want to recycle this plastic waste, turn them into some useful stuff and make some outcome and output. So our project purpose is plastic waste recycle in Singapore is address Singapore problem and of the plastic waste pollution in the country. The outcome and output is Singapore's plastic recycling program about convenient use plastic into some new products, and this product can be sold and used to make some new plastic products. So here is our project objectives. We will recycle 1,000 tons of plastic waste from specially region as raw material for new plastic products, and we will weigh them. Thirdly, we will the data will be recorded in logbook to determine the actual account and add information for next steps. And at last, we will collect the plastic waste is turned into some new plastic products, and in the end, we will make the plastic waste into some useful material or some useful plastic products.
Phase 1: Initiation or conceptualization phase. This phase of our project involved identifying the business problem and major deliverables. Phase 2: Planning phase. This phase involved outlining project activities and developing a time frame. Phase 3: Execution phase. This phase involved implementing project activities including waste collection, sorting, processing, and distribution. Phase 4: Termination phase. This phase of our project involved handing our project deliverables, closing contracts, and communicating project completion. To visualize the project timeline and activities, we have prepared a Gantt chart using regional plan software. This chart illustrates the sequential flow of tasks and their duration within each phase of the project.
Hello, teacher. My name is Wenju Chong. Part of my speech today is project schedule. The select date of our project is January 1st, 2024, and the end date is December 31st, 2024. The clippers recycle long dangerous tasks that must be completed in order to finish the project within the given time frame. It including tasks 1, 2, 4, 6, and 9. By following on the path, we can ensure infrastructure management and timely completions. In conclusion, our project aims to successfully complete the plastic recycle process and contribute to environmental stability. Thank you for your listening.
Hi, thank you for joining me today to level deeper into the fictional world of the Singapore plastic waste recycling project. Today I am excited to present to you the mission cost report, which sets out the final aspects of the important efforts to negative the intricate web of tasks we develop the project for distance, start, plan, execute, and end. Each stage is an important milestone on our way to success. The total established cost of the project is $15,600 for the start-up phases, $144,800 for the planning phases, $192,000 for the action phases, and $83,200 for the closing phases. This total, which is represents the sum of costs already incurred and the cost to be incurred, not only represent fictional features, but also testifies to our viewing community and direction. It reflects the resources needed to tackle the pressing plastic waste problem and pave the way for a sustainable future. Thank you.
I'm Kaido. Now let me introduce the project risks. While the project goes smoothly, there are also some risks. Two quick points. In terms of the plastic recycling, there is a risk of the insufficient recycling due to the presence of other recycling centers, which may affect the implementation of our project. To address the risk, we can establish partnership with local recycling centers for additional waste circulation. In terms of the market, due to the continuous development of the market demand for plastic recycling is constantly fluctuating, which requires a large amount of the money. Keeping of the century pressure. To save this risk, it needs to diversify the recycled plastics products and reduce the dependent on the single market. We cannot avoid the occurrence of the risks, but we will try our best to reduce the risk to maximize the benefits. The above is the report of our team. That's all. Thank you for your listening.